Let us now explore the components of Power BI. So, Power BI is made up of three components: a Microsoft Windows desktop application called Power BI Desktop, an online SaaS software as a service called Power BI, and mobile Power BI applications for phones and tablets. So, these three components, the desktop, the service, and mobile apps, are all designed to help customers develop, distribute, and consume business insights in the most productive way possible. Let us now understand Power BI Desktop in detail. Microsoft Power BI Desktop is designed with analysts in mind. It features cutting-edge immersive visualizations as well as industry-leading data query and simulation capabilities. Power BI allows you to create and write reports. Power BI Desktop enables you to inspire others by providing timely, valuable insights wherever and at any time. In Power BI Desktop, data can be accessed from a variety of on-premises and cloud-based sources, including Dynamics 365, Salesforce, Azure SQL DB, Excel, and SharePoint. You can also prepare and model your files. With data modeling software, you can save time and make data planning simpler. Using the self-service Power Query experience that millions of Excel customers are comfortable with to reclaim hours from your day. In Power BI, you can import, convert, incorporate, and enrich data. You will use Power BI Desktop to get data. The Power BI Desktop makes data exploration easy. Data can be imported from a variety of different sources. You will mold the data after connecting to a data source to meet the research and monitoring needs. Make links and add new steps and data types to the data model. When you import two or more tables, you will almost always need to build relationships between them. The Manage Relationships dialog and the Relationships view in Power BI Desktop allows you to use Auto-Detect to have the Power BI Desktop discovery and build some relationships for you, or you can create them yourself. Create reports. The report view is part of the Power BI Desktop. Select the fields you want, apply filters, choose from hundreds of visualizations, and customize your reports with custom colors, gradients, and other features. The report view provides you with the same excellent report and visualization features that you will find on powerbi.com while making a report. You can save your work as a Power BI desktop file for the Power BI Desktop. The .pbix extension is used for Power BI desktop files. Reports may be uploaded or released. The reports you created and saved in the desktop can be posted to your Power BI site. Power BI Desktop also allows you to publish them to Power BI. So, in Power BI Web UI, you can easily connect to your data, visualize, explore, and also share it with others. It provides functionality like connect to your data, visualize, explore, and speed insights, share and collaborate on the go, flexible and secure mobile access. With native mobile BI applications for Windows, iOS, and Android, you can securely access and browse live Power BI dashboards and reports on any smartphone. Let's learn about Power BI Mobile. All Power BI mobile applications interact with the Power BI service using the same link and authentication sequences as browsers. The iOS and Android Power BI mobile apps launch a browser session inside the app, while the Windows mobile app launches a broker to create a contact channel with Power BI for the sign-in process. You can keep an eye on your company from your computer, access data stored on premises in SQL Server or data in the cloud. Keep track of KPIs and reports on the go with Power BI mobile apps, which offer you a 360-degree view of your data. With Microsoft Intune's mobile device and program management capabilities, you can keep your company's data secure. So, with Power BI Desktop, you can create reports for smartphone users and display live dashboards and reports on mobile devices with short and fluid graphics that help you get answers faster. To keep the staff on the same page, you can also post live updates and dashboards straight from the app. Power BI Mobile is a compilation of applications for the three main mobile platforms: Android, iOS, and Windows Phone (UWP). There are two types of security considerations for Power BI mobile apps: communication between devices, the device's application and data. Power BI is a business intelligence platform that allows you access to the Power BI service and mobile apps. Telemetry is used to collect mobile app usage information and other data, which is then sent to providers that track usage and operation. Telemetry does not send any customer data. The Power BI software saves data on the computer to make it easier to use the app. When the app is closed, you can sign out of Power BI Mobile, or if you fail to sign in, the cached data is deleted, such as after a token expiration event or password change. Let us now see how to create, publish, and distribute Power BI reports. First, with Power BI Desktop, you can produce breathtaking reports. Use a free-form drag-and-drop canvas and modern data visualizations to visually explore data. Then you can directly publish reports to Control BI Report Server, organize your files into directories, control access, and make changes if required. And finally, to meet a multitude of customer needs, share reports for the customers to consume on the web and on mobile devices. Let us now see comparison between Power BI Desktop and Power BI Service. So, with Power BI Desktop, when creating a new report, you can connect to lots of different data sources, including Access, Azure, Dataverse, Dynamics 365, Excel, Files, Folders, HDFS, Python, R, and SQL Server. While Power BI Service, when creating a new report, can connect to data in an Excel spreadsheet, CSV files, Power BI desktop files, OneDrive, SharePoint, and previously shared or used datasets. So, Power BI Desktop can use the data sources when refreshing reports, while Power BI Service can refresh using most data sources but not Hadoop file, HDFS. Some types, such as on-premises databases, may require gateways. Power BI Desktop can create reports, including creating visualizations and creating cross-report drill through reports, while Power BI Service can create reports, including creating visualizations and creating cross-report drill through reports. Power BI Desktop can get and transform data and develop models, including calculated columns and measures. while Power BI service cannot.
For more details, check the link in the description. Learn with Whizlabs. Success certified.